All right, here we go. This is going to be Operation Lightning. We are on Russia turn number 5, I think it is. Yeah, so yeah, they bought all their stuff. Burma Road opens later this turn. It'll be fun. But actually, we'll CCP first. So CCP is going to spend nothing. They're going to make no attacks. They're going to make one non-combat move up here like this, so we can defend together against this terrible 41st. And then they will make a recruitment. Let's make sure there's nothing else. It seems about right. Oh, so close, but so far. While I'm over here, I'll go ahead and do the recruitment here for these guys. Hey, we get it. I like it. Let's see, what else? I guess that's it for CCP. So they will collect 2 and have 5. Okay. Next, let's go to Russia. This is turn 5, so there's no d6, but we do have techs again. So I guess we're going for our 2 technology ones. We like armor, we like mechs, and we like factories. Well, that's rockets. The 12. No jet fighters. That is armor. The 12. No factories. And that's mechs with the 12. Oh, 3 out of 5 is pretty good considering I think last turn I got none. We have for purchases we're going to spend 8. We're taking another AA to the Republicans, and we're going to do a railroad into terrain. So that's -8. Oops, that was 9. -8. Hold on just a second. Sorry, my dog was going crazy. And we'll have 13. And so this, I'm just going to go ahead and grab this rail right now. I have permission from the KMT to build this rail here on the border. And like so. And then these dudes. We don't care to do any attacks. I'm going to slide this guy over and then slide this guy up. And I think that's it. We're going to grab this guy. At least this is it for Spain anyways. And we'll come through here into Catalonia. And this would be the cake on the top if I can get this recruitment on a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, baby. Oh, that was a 4. So close. But hopefully we take some skin off some fighters. Okay, let's see. Next. These guys. So we do need to finish moving some of our ships. Go into here. This guy's going to go 1, 2. The rest of our subs are good. Gonna rail these guys up here. And I'll have this guy come back. No, I like him there. So we did our rails. think that's it. There's not a whole lot to do for these guys. So I will collect my 15, finish with 28, and that's it. Cheers.